Have you ever wondered what makes a craft beer so flavorful or why a perfectly made cocktail tastes so balanced? Behind every sip lies an incredible blend of science, creativity, and craftsmanship. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of craft beer and cocktails from brewing and distillation to flavor pairing and innovation. Let's get started. Craft beer is produced by small, independent breweries that focus on quality rather than mass production. Brewers carefully select ingredients and often experiment with unique recipes to create distinctive flavors. 4 key ingredients make every craft beer: malt, hops, yeast, and water. Malt provides fermentable sugars, color, and rich flavors. Hops add bitterness, aroma, and notes ranging from citrus to pine. Yeast converts sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide while creating unique flavor compounds. Water forms most of the beer, and its mineral content influences the final taste. The combination of these ingredients determines each beer's unique character. Cocktails begin with distilled spirits derived from fermented ingredients. Distillation separates alcohol through controlled heating and cooling. Pot distillation preserves rich flavors and produces more complex spirits. Column distillation creates cleaner, higher purity spirits with greater efficiency. Mixologists combine spirits with juices, syrups, bitters, herbs, spices, and garnishes to create balanced drinks. Balance comes from sweetness, bitterness, acidity, and aroma working together. Flavor is more than taste, it includes aroma and texture. In craft beer, roasted malts create chocolate and coffee notes, while different hops provide floral, citrus, tropical, or earthy aromas. Cocktails use fresh fruits, herbs, bitters, and premium ingredients to build layered flavor profiles. Carbonation plays an important role by enhancing aroma, improving mouthfeel, and making drinks feel lighter. The bubbles release aromatic compounds as you drink, making each sip more fragrant. Alcohol strength is measured as alcohol by volume, or ABV. Most craft beers range between 3 and 12% ABV, while cocktails can vary significantly depending on spirits and proportions used. Knowing the ABV helps consumers make informed choices and enjoy beverages responsibly. Brewers and bartenders are pushing boundaries with techniques like barrel aging, dry hopping, botanical infusions, and molecular mixology. Precision fermentation and clarification are creating new flavors and drinking experiences once impossible. Moderation is key because excessive drinking increases the risk of liver disease, addiction, certain cancers, accidents, and other serious health problems. Some studies suggest moderate alcohol consumption may offer cardiovascular benefits for some adults, but individual risks vary. Always drink responsibly, understand your personal limits, and never drink and drive. Craft beer and cocktails represent the perfect combination of science, tradition, and creativity. Understanding how these beverages are made makes every sip even more enjoyable. To learn even more about the science brewing techniques, flavor pairing health considerations, and frequently asked questions, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Humanity UAPD for more educational videos covering science, culture, travel, health, lifestyle, and fascinating topics.